Hello there everybody, my name is Rodrigo and today we're going to be diving into the world of Helianthus tuberosus, also known as wild sunflower or earth apple. This amazing plant has been growing in North America for many centuries now and is commonly referred to as the Jerusalem artichoke. The shape of the Jerusalem artichoke varies from variety. It can be uneven like ginger or smooth. The taste is like cabbage stalk or radishes. And when fried, tastes similar to sweet potato. This plant grows quite tall. It grows up to 6 and 9 feet between August and September. The best time to harvest is within the fall. To store Jerusalem artichokes, keep them in a cool, dark place like a cellar. Ideal storage temperatures is between 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity. Brush off excess soil and let them air dry for a few hours before storing. Don't wash them to avoid quick spoilage. For short-term storage, a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place works best. Avoid storing near fruits that release ethylene gas to prevent sprouting and deterioration. They can also be left in the ground over winter as they are frost-resistant and can be harvested in the spring. The Jerusalem artichoke is very healthy, has a unique complex of carbohydrates that are very healthy for folks with type 2 diabetes as it helps lower blood sugar levels. It also has essential amino acids and a nice variety of vitamins and minerals. And that's all for today. And from your family here at Dripworks, hope you have a good day. Bye.